You will need 400 grams of fresh paneer and yogurt to make a paste out of it. So let us start making it. Into this blender jar, I am going to add about a quarter cup of yogurt and the paneer. I am going to add my another quarter cup of yogurt. Now you can also add a pinch of salt to this. I am going to make a very smooth paste out of it now. I have added another quarter cup of yogurt and made a paste out of it, but it is still very grainy and gritty. We want a very smooth and creamy paste, so I am going to blend for a couple of more seconds. So our paste is pretty smooth. Now we are going to strain this. Here I have 2 layers of cheesecloth over a colander which is below a bowl. I am going to transfer this mixture in the cheesecloth. So I have transferred my cheese mixture into this strainer. I am going to strain this for about 3 days in the refrigerator. 2 days is the minimum time, but 3 days gives a really stiff and perfect result for a cheesecake. Every 12 hours I am going to throw the water which is being collected in the bowl which is below the strainer. So I am going to keep this in the refrigerator right now and I will be back after 2 days. It's been 3 days and now cream cheese is ready. This is very stiff and perfect. What I have done here is I have taken the cloth and squeezed the excessive water. So this is very firm and very nice. So you can use it for cheesecakes or for spreads or use it for any purpose.